In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your English pronunciation using ChatGPT. This unique approach leverages AI technology to help you with those challenging pronunciations, focusing on clarity, confidence, and accuracy. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, you're going to type ChatGPT into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll be shown a range of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website in the list. Clicking on the link will take you directly to the ChatGPT homepage. Once there, you'll see a prompt area ready for your input. This is where the magic happens. The next step is to type in a prompt. Let's start with a simple example prompt. You can type, "Give me 5 5-minute speaking topics with follow-up questions." Once you've entered your prompt, hit the Submit button. ChatGPT will process your request and generate a list of speaking topics complete with helpful questions to guide your practice. This allows you to not only practice pronunciation, but also to develop conversational skills on a variety of topics. If you're keen to dive even deeper, you can use the search bar for more specific information and tips on pronunciation. For instance, you might type another prompt. How is sesquipedalianism pronounced in British English? Include phonetic transcription and stress. After typing your prompt, click Submit again. ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed response, including phonetic transcription and stress, telling you exactly how to pronounce that word correctly in British English. But it gets even better. To hear the correct pronunciation, look at the bottom of the results. There, you should see a small set of 3 dots. Click on them. This option often reveals additional features or instructions, giving you the possibility to access pronunciation guides. Following that, click on the Read Aloud option. This feature is incredible because it allows you to hear the word pronounced correctly. You can listen as many times as you need, ensuring you get the pronunciation just right. You can even mimic the pronunciation, repeating it aloud until you're comfortable with how it sounds. This interactive method is not only a great way to practice pronunciation, but also an engaging way to expand your vocabulary and hone your speaking skills in English. By combining AI with traditional learning techniques, you can effectively improve your English skills right from your desk. Keep experimenting with different words and sentences, and soon you'll notice significant progress in your English pronunciation. With dedication and the right tools like ChatGPT, refining your English proficiency is more accessible than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!